Here is a step-by-step guide on how to change the goal that a condition belongs to. Let's start by finding the condition itself. Go to your central organization page and click on the Condition tab to see a list of all the conditions you have set for your organization. In this list, you will also see how the status of each condition is determined and whether it belongs to any goal. On the far right of each condition, you will see a cogwheel. Click on it and a menu will appear. Choose Edit Condition. This will take you to the Condition Edit page. At the top, there are a few tabs. On the first tab, about halfway down the page, you will see the header. Which goal does this condition belong to? Below it, there is a menu of goals that you have set for your organization. Click on the goal that you want this condition to belong to, and it will move from the original goal to the one you have chosen. Note that you can also unlink the condition completely from any goal by selecting "This condition does not belong to any goal." This can be useful if you want to keep the condition for any reason, but don't want it to be connected to any goal at the moment. Now you have changed what goal a condition is connected to. You will find more tips and tricks like this if you follow our channel. Thanks for watching this video.